Are you one of those people who just pays and pays into your automobile policy and you never get in accidents? You know, you never file a claim? Doesn't that really bother you? I hate that. I've got automobile policy that I've been paying on for over 15 years and I've never been in an accident. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a type of policy that paid you back when you never filed a claim? You know, you pay all these insurances. I've got life, health, auto, home, E&O coverage. Health insurance, I think, is the only one that I ever use. So other than the peace of mind that those are providing me, they don't give me any benefits. Well, I'm here to tell you about a type of life insurance coverage today that does offer you a benefit, even if there is no claim. So if you don't die, you get all your premiums back. It's called life insurance with a return of premium rider. Now here's basically how it works. Let's say rather than taking a $10 policy for 15 years, at the end of it you can either convert it or let it lapse. Instead of that, you pay an extra 10 bucks, you pay $20 a month for 15 years, and if there's been no death at the end of 15 years, you get back all your premiums. That's $4,800. So who would this be absolutely best for? The best case scenario and really the most affordable way to add return of premium is when you're younger. If you're in your 20s and 30s, it really doesn't cost much to add it on. If you have a longer term period, let's say you're getting a 20 or 30-year term, it's typically less expensive to add return of premium rider onto those policies than onto, say, a 15-year. 15 years, in a lot of cases, it's about double the price. So real life scenario would be, say, a 25-year-old, you want $500,000 of coverage, you're going to pay about $32 a month if you're in good health for just a 30-year term product. Now, if you add return of premium onto that, say with Western Reserve Life, it's going to cost you $43 a month. Now, heck, I'd rather pay 11 bucks more a month, and at the end of the 30 years, if I don't die, I get back $15,500. Now, I've had situations come up like this before, where it only costs an extra $10 or $12 per month to add the return of premium rider. And I've been told, no, it costs too much. No, I don't want to spend that much. Wait a minute. Let's review this. Let's review. Okay. $11 a month extra to get back $15,591 at the end of 30 years. That's the exact amount. Let's say that rather than putting it into the policy, you try to put in an investment, this 11 bucks a month, to get back the $15,000 and change at the end of 30 years. Guess what you're going to have to earn? 8.2% annually. That is really high, and it's guaranteed. It's built in, guaranteed into the contract. So 8.2%, the nice thing about 8.2 is that generally speaking, it's not going to be taxable. The IRS doesn't look at the return of premium benefit as taxable income, generally speaking, because it's just a return of your premiums, right? So 8.2% is a net 8.2%, which really is more like a 10 to 11% gross rate of return. That's fantastic. Where else are you going to get that guaranteed for 30 years? It's a no-brainer. There are several carriers who offer the return of premium rider. Western Reserve Life and American General are the two that I use the most, but who you're going to use is going to depend on your medical conditions and your lifestyle. So I can't tell you one of those will be best for you. You need to speak with an independent agent who can ask you all the questions about your health and your lifestyle and find the company that's going to be the cheapest for you, because every carrier has their guidelines by which they give their ratings. Some of them are more lenient towards, say, cholesterol, some of them build, some of them blood pressure. You want to find the one that's going to meet your specific situation the best and give you the best rates. What you can do to get kind of an idea of where your price will come in is get a quote on my website, insuranceblogbykris.com, and I have return of premium quotes right there for you. It's one click and you get your quotes. And it's not like those other sites where you fill out 10 pages of information and then they say a representative will call. No, these are truly instant life insurance quotes. That's all for today, and I hope to help you soon. If you have any questions, you can call me at 619-564-4873. Thank you.